Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to watch Harry Potter on Disney+. Unfortunately, the Harry Potter movies are not available to stream on Disney+ currently. The streaming rights for Harry Potter are with the different services than Disney+, so there are some other options for watching Harry Potter. Simply go to HBO Max and purchase the digital download or physical copies of Harry Potter movies from various retailers. Some platforms like YouTube or Apple TV allows you to rent individual Harry Potter movies. So sadly, you will not be able to watch Harry Potter on Disney Plus since there is no streaming right for Harry Potter in this platform. If the video was informational at all, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.